I'm gonna be painting these headlights clear. I did this one with some rub on, sanded it and rubbed it on, the basic stuff they sell at Walmart, and it didn't work. And I left this one untreated, so you can see how the clarity is starting to fade. But I'm gonna do it right this time. And I bought some clear coat, and so I gotta get these bolts off, then I gotta pop these off. I got a flathead for that. You can use a flathead screwdriver. You can use a tool, special tool to do this, but I don't feel like buying that tool. And I mean, when these are just, it's easy just to use this flathead. Really, just be careful, don't break them. I bought some new ones because I've been doing work to this car, but here, so I'm just gonna take that off. And there's 3 screws on the bottom right here. Right here, 1, and these are stars. Here it is. I found it. So I'm just gonna take this out of here and then put this into here like that. Oops, that's not gonna work. So let's see if I can. So I did this side already. Now I'm gonna go to the other side. Let me bust that out. I got the tool gun out because it held my bit pretty nicely. I didn't have nothing else to hold it with. So there you go. Got them 3. Got all these clips out. Last thing is, I believe it's a 10 millimeter. Let me see. I did it before because I changed the radiator for this car. Yep. It's a 10. So you just want to loosen these up. Just make sure you put these on the windshield or something. So I got the gun for this too, the DeWalt. I got this thing off Let Go for $100 with 2 batteries and a charger. Or they're offer up now. But this makes it much easier. I don't make it tight with this, just because you can strip it out easily. Which you gotta replace the part, and there you go. Gotta do the other side as well. So just bend this back right here. Stick this in here. And then get the other one. I'm just gonna lay these right here. Just pull it off. They're on clips. but just tug at it wherever, here, right there from the bottom. And there you go. Bam. Now I want to do that headlight. I'm just going to do one for now. I'm just going to do one for now. So this, you gotta do one right there. Right there. You see it? Alright, so that 1, 2, here's another one. So it's 1, 2, 3. 3. And then 4 on the bottom. But I need to get an extension. I needed to get an extension for this one. So, right there. So let's see. That came out. All right. So this is right there. Let's put everything about where. So actually, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This one's 5. And then I put this one's a nut. So I put that right there. And then now, I just take it off. Just pull the fender out a little bit. Just wiggle it out. It's locked in on the top right here. And just pull the lights out. Right. Just try to set them so the white ones don't get oil on them or any grease, because then they tend to blow out because they get too warm when they're running. I don't like to use alcohol because this is rated for what I'm going to do. And then I have this with the wipes. And it's just, they're lint free. So I have 2,000 and I have 400. So you can start with the 400. Just go just like that. Yeah, I washed this car yesterday, so I know there's really nothing gritty on it. So it kind of, you know, it fits into the, so you can kind of get around the side. Make sure it's all scratched up before you go to the 3,000. Actually, after this, I want to go, what is this? 2,000. So I would do the 2,000 max. And then I would go 3,000. Although I did these before, I really didn't have to go 400. But if somebody else did them, you can see right there, there's still stuff on there, like whatever he used, I mean, was junk. Because I had to use the wipe on stuff, but that's junk too. So I would use the 2000. Just to knock down some of the tall walls that I made with the 400. Make it a little bit smoother. I mean, I could have just straight sprayed it on here with 400 if you put it on thick enough, but I need to make that little can last. I don't think it's going to be enough. I don't feel like getting another can. And I'll just make an update on this, just to, if it doesn't hold up, then I'll use another clear coat and I'll figure it out. And with that one, then 3000. You can see it. Seems like it's getting clear already. You take your time. The smoother you get it, the better it's gonna look. That's with any job. Painting a car, doing these headlights. Alright, so that's pretty much done. So supposedly, the guy told me when I first got into this business that you wipe this stuff on and it brings the dirt to the surface and then you wipe it off. So look how clear it's getting already. Just wiping this degreaser on it. And just get the other side. Then hit it once more. So now I'm just waiting until it dries. Give this a good shake. Oh yeah, I'm using Perfect Match. This is protective clear coat finish right here. Perfect Match to have the nice nozzle. Supposedly sprays better. So that's looks like it's dry. So I just go like that. Not too thick. Just thick enough. Let it dry. Basically, it's going to dry, and then you're going to spray another thicker coat, and it's going to lock together, and it'll be nice and smooth. If you look at the side and glare it, and you look at the light, and if it's like a healthy film, then you're done. You see just a nice orange peel, no dull spots. That means you didn't put a nice second healthy coat on. But the glare of the light looks really good. And so that's done. So I'm gonna sit it up. Right here I sit it up because dust falls on the top of it. So this will give it a better percent of a chance that dust won't fall on top of it. And that's it. Really, I'm gonna do the other one maybe another day. And we'll see how good this holds up. So all I did was reverse the process, and you can see it's not very much of a difference. Look at that one. I did that one, and this one was the old one that I did with the wipe on half thing. You know, it's just cheaper to do the work and do that. Now, I think that's going to hold up for many more years than that one, but I'll do that one later. I just wanted to show you how to do it. And I mean, you can use this clear coat for any car, really. It's just knowing how to take the headlight out.